What's going on, guys? Blazing Tech here, back bringing you some more Mazda Miata content. Now, if you're going to do your brake job on an NA or an NB MX-5, more power to you. It's a pretty good job to do. It's not very difficult. You can do it with hand tools, and my goodness, is the satisfaction of getting that job done awesome. Now, here's one word of advice that I'll give. There's some great videos out there on YouTube. Definitely look those up. Watch all of them before you do it. It'll show you exactly what you need to do. Rock Auto is going to be your best friend. An aside now, I ran into a big problem when I did my rear brakes, and it's this little guy right here. I'll give you a close-up of it, and I'll put the part number right here in the video. So what is this little thing? It's a spline nut, was what they call it on the forum anyway. It's used to adjust the parking brake. Now when you change your rear brakes, you're going to need to release this guy in order to take the caliper off to get your pads or your rotors off. Now, when you reinstall everything, you're going to have to use this to set the parking brake again. I won't explain it again, watch a video. But these things are very, very easy to break. Now, you can, if you have a long little magnet, if you break one of them on one side like I did, I pulled the other one out of the other side and I used it to set the parking brake on this side after I set it on this side. And again, this little thing is only used to adjust the parking brake. So I think it's worth it. It's like a $10 part from Mazda. Just grab another one in case you break one, in case you break two. It's really frustrating, but this is a little video about one little tip I wish I knew before I did my brake job on my NB MX-5.